Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the mic and permissions now. Plug in a USB mic or use the laptop mic. Set input level around 70-85%. Then open Settings, go to Accessibility, and enable voice access on Windows or voice control on Mac OS. Grant microphone, accessibility, and background permissions immediately so the service can hear and control your apps. Once done, sign into your user account if prompted. Make sure the system language. Once voice access is on, launch it and watch for the listening indicator. That confirms the service is ready. Next, run the quick training or microphone calibration to tune recognition to your voice. This reduces errors. Learn the core commands. Say click followed by a label, use show grid to pick precise screen areas, and practice scroll up or scroll down. Make sure to practice in the apps you use most. That builds context and improves reliability over time. You finish by using combined commands. Say open Chrome, then type hello, world and press enter to complete tasks hands-free. If accuracy is low, refine settings. Lower sensitivity, expand vocabulary, or move the mic closer to reduce room noise. Make sure other audio apps are muted so voice access hears you clearly. If something goes wrong, restart the voice service, rerun the training, and check permissions. Background noise is the usual culprit, so reduce it and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.